Good afternoon, YouTube friends. This is Jim. Thanks for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. This video is about how to prepare for winter storms. I've got 8 essential items I'd like to point out. If you're living off-grid, these 8 things could be very important to you. Number 1, you want to fuel up your tractor, your ATV, your generator, your snowblower, whatever it is you've got. You want to have them all fueled up. You don't want to be trying to fuel these things up when it's snowing and blowing and it's all windy out and you're fighting the elements. This weekend, actually starting tonight, we're going to get 50 centimeters of snow. And so I've been preparing for the snow. This isn't the time to hunker down and say, oh, I'm going to go in the house and sit back and relax and watch it, especially if you're living off grid. You want to be prepared for it. Second thing you want to do, you want to make sure that your equipment is all in good running shape. If you've got some loose belts, you've got a dead battery, whatever it is, it's nice that it's all fueled up, but it needs to be running. It needs to be in tip-top shape so you're ready for the storm. The third thing you want to do is you want to have a good supply of wood in the house. There's nothing worse than having to go outside in the middle of a snowstorm and gathering firewood because your house is cold. Like I said, I've got 8 items I want to go over. The 8th item is the most important. At least to me it is. I feel it is. And it's got a few statistics with it. So you want to stay to the end of the video. The 4th thing you want to do is you want to have a supply of food in the house. Once the snow comes, and they're calling for 50 centimeters, but that doesn't mean we're going to get 50. We might get 70. We don't know. The roads may be closed. We don't know. Once the roads are closed, who knows how long how long before they'll be opened up again. So make sure you got a good supply of food in the house for you and your family. You have to have water. I don't know how you get your water. Myself, I get mine from an artesian well. And the thing is, in the middle of a snowstorm, I don't want to be going out getting water. Have yourself a good supply of water. Sometimes what I would even do is get a 5-gallon jug and fill it up with water and have it handy in the house, just in case you get a frozen water line or something goes wrong and you need water. Get yourself a 5-gallon jug and have some water handy as emergency backup. How about propane? Do you have a propane stove? Do you have a propane wall heater? Propane is important. Don't wait until your propane tanks are just about empty. Always be prepared. Go out and buy your propane and monitor it. See how much you've got and make sure you've got a good supply so that when the storm hits, you don't have to deal with it. Another big one, especially for me, is my batteries. If you're off grid like I am and you deal with solar, oftentimes if you don't have a lot of sunlight, your batteries start to drain down. You got to start them up with, you got to get the generator going to charge the batteries. Get the batteries all charged up before the storm comes. Once you're in the middle of a storm and your batteries drain down, last thing you want to be doing is going outside and fiddling around with a generator, trying to get it started to try to get your batteries charged back up again. There's 7 of the 8. The 8th item, which to me is really important, is snow load on your roof. It's important to keep that roof clear. You get ice dams, you get weight up there. Lots of problems could come up with having a lot of snow on your roof. The minimum snow load standard in Canada is 21 pounds per square foot. That is actually 1.06 kilopascals. I don't know where this number comes from. I don't even know what a kilopascal is, but my house is rated for 3.4 kilopascals, which is 71 pounds per square foot. 71 pounds per square foot. They're saying that that much snow on the roof is a 1 in 50-year event. Now with me, I've got an addition on the front of my house, my off-grid home. I got an addition on the back, and I've got an addition between in the middle. So that 3.4 kilopascals, which is 71 pounds per square foot, may not apply to these additions to my roof. So I like to keep the snow clear. What happens is when you get a snowstorm, depending on your roof slope, depending on drifting, depending on wind exposure, you can have parts of your roof that don't have a lot of snow, and you can have parts of your roof that have a lot of snow. So just because you've got 6 inches of snow in one area doesn't mean you've got 6 inches of snow in another area. So the 3.4 kilopascals, which is 71 pounds per square foot, that is, my house is designed for northern cold climates or mountainous regions. Okay, so when we're talking about snow on your roof, which like I said is an important issue, light snow generally is 10 to 20 pounds per square foot. Moderate snow is 20 to 30 pounds per square foot. And heavy snow is 30 to 40 pounds per square foot. So when you're looking at the snow on your roof, you also have to take into consideration the age of your roof and what your roof is made from. You could have a roof that's an older roof, and you could have shingles, and you've got that snow up there, but you get a snow dam up on your roof. And I made an earlier video about snow dams on a roof. You could have a snow dam on your roof. You may not have a lot of snow up there, but that snow will back up and go under those shingles, and you'll have a roof that's leaking. So you need to keep that snow cleared off. What they say is that snow weighs 1.25 pounds per inch. So if you've got 10 inches of snow on your roof, over the whole entire roof, then you've got 12.5 pounds of snow, which isn't a lot. But you need to still keep that stuff clear off your roof. In conclusion, your roof has snow on it. My roof had snow on it. I cleared the snow off my roof this morning. I didn't need to because my roof is designed to take a lot of snow. But just because it's designed to take a lot of snow doesn't mean I'm going to leave a lot of snow up there. This 50 centimeters of snow that's coming over the weekend, or over tonight, I guess, this 50 centimeters of snow that's coming, maybe certain parts of my roof, I might have 60 or 70 centimeters of snow. So it's important to keep the snow cleared off the roof. So basically, these are the 8 things that you need to take care of before the storm comes. Don't just go in the house, turn on Little House on the Prairies, do your homework, get your things done, get everything looking nice, get ready for the snow, get your family, make sure there's food for your family and there's water. Anyways, that's it for today. And I'll do a video, I'll show you how the snow works out for me, because I'm all ready for it, but 50 centimeters of snow is a lot of snow. Anyways, you have a great day. We'll talk to you in the next video.